Show him that. Oh my God, man. Oh, they're coming. No one's going back through it. It's deep as crap. I know it is. Them two idiots. Look, it's over his boots right now. His rubber boots. But not them two people. Because they ain't followed him. Them two people were idiots. They went back there and
I know. They passed another car.
It was going inside their car.
Yeah, they passed. They passed another car.
As soon as they passed it, they unlocked all the drains over here.
They passed the car and then went flying through there and broke their bumper.
I know.
Now water's in their car.
Yeah, I'd say about 3 gallons.
Yeah.
Probably more.
Looks like it's coming.
Their car's dead. I think it got inside the transmission. Their car
it's pulling them. It's pulling.
I'm surprised their rim's not falling off completely. Oh my God! You see that huge dent in front of their car?
Daggone.
Well, there's no water on their car anymore. No, you will not. Oh my God, man. A tiny car just tried to go through it again. Y'all, by the way, this is Brookhaven, Mississippi.
Going up it.
This is awesome.
What's gonna happen?
Oh my God, watch all the water that's about to come out the car.
Look at it, look at it.
Why are they so dumb? People are so dumb these days. Who does that? Yo, subscribe to Brody How To. Well, the name now is going to be, I'm changing it. It's going to be Brody Leggett and Maddox Cooper. There they go. And like the video. And that's all.